Scorpio Nations, welcome back again to my channel and to your reading. Hope you guys are doing great today wherever you are in the world. Thank you for supporting to my channel and thanks as well for joining me here, especially to all my soul family and soul tribes. You are all highly appreciated. If you are new here, welcome. Crosswatchers are also welcome. This is not your personal reading, guys. This is a timeless and general energy reading for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Please remember to take what resonates and don't manifest the energy of others since this is not your personal reading. And I am reading with Scorpio who is on the right path. Universal energy for the star sign of Scorpio. Give me the accurate reading, please. The past, the present, the future, and the outcome of this reading. About love, money, career, business, and studies. Divine angels, divine God and goddess of all beings, divine ancestors, divine spirits, spiritual animals. Show me the cards what I need to see. For the star sign of Scorpio. I am reading with Scorpio, guys, so it's on the right path. And this is not for all Scorpios. So please use your own discernment, okay? This is your Christmas reading and let me see what's going on with your life during Christmas season. Your intense, magnetic, sexy, powerful reading for today because you are intense, magnetic, sexy, and powerful. First, we have inspiration. Somebody has feeling inspired by you. You could also be a flash of inspiration to other people. For some of you guys, I feel like there are people who are feeling inspired by you, especially if you have a platform in social media. It could also be that your haters are also being inspired by you. And that's why somebody here wants to harmonize the relationship between you and them. Could also be that there are people who are watching your platform. You could be a person who is giving lots of hopes and inspiration to other people. You could also be a public speaker, an influencer. Take what resonates because everyone is different. You could also be an artist, a painter, and you have lots of skills and there are lots of people who are feeling inspired with your work. And you are a so-called flash of inspiration to many people. And somebody here is feeling inspired by you and this person wants to support you. If these are the past people, they want to make peace with you, to harmonize the relationship between you and them. And this is the present situation. Let me see who is involved in this reading. Why an inspiration here, please? It is clarified as the Tower. You could be dealing or attracting an Aries or a Scorpio. And this person is feeling inspired by you. Or it was exposed that you are a flash of inspiration to other people. Could also that this person in the past painted lies and illusion. Oh my gosh. Lies and illusion is the same. Painted illusion on you. These are the trickery, lies, and manipulation because they are jealous on you. And now that they are being exposed of what they have done on you in the past, could also be a group of people. They tried to throw you under the bus. By all means, because they knew that you are a person who is very inspiring, or I told you, it could also that you are giving hopes and inspiration to other people. And that's why there are people who couldn't stand your frequency. And they painted illusion in your life. Now they are being exposed. An Aries or a Scorpio is involved here. And this person is now feeling inspired by you. Even though their trickery, lies, and manipulation are being exposed. I told you, that's why they want to harmonize the relationship between you and them. or somebody here wants to end up your work, especially if you are a public speaker or you are the one who exposed them. But I feel like for most of you, there are lots of people in the past who tried to dim your lights because they couldn't stand your aura. You look, it could also that this is in your workplace, in your family, in your friend circle, your partner, your ex, or in the community, for instance, your neighbors, or in the society where you belong. And whatever they told about you is a big lie. Now they are being exposed. There could also be a major upheaval here, a loss, a separation. Could also be a divorce, bankruptcy. Take what resonates because everyone is different. Because these are the people who are coming against you in the past. And in fact, they painted lies and illusion on you. Again, illusion is a lie. I'm sorry, somebody doesn't want me to talk. Oh my gosh. An Aries or a Scorpio is involved here. Nevertheless, they are being exposed. Could also be that they are spreading lies and rumors about you to tarnish your reputation, that you are not the way you say you are. Because in the past, they are triggered with your lights. You could be a person who is, I mean, a magical person, or they perceive that you are doing magic with your light. And that's why they tried to throw you under the bus. They tried to dim your lights. And now they are being exposed. For that reason, they want to harmonize the relationship between you and them. Take only what fits in your story, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. An Aries or a Scorpio is involved here. Let me see, your challenge here is inner skin. This is your inner child. Others of you guys, it could also be that somebody is experiencing a childhood trauma and somebody here needs healing. This person could also be in your family. Could also be that this person is in your surroundings. Take what resonates because everyone is different. Somebody here doesn't want you to be happy because somebody here is experiencing, sadness, and it doesn't want you to be happy as well. Could also be that somebody here refused to heal the childhood trauma. That's why they tried to throw you under the bus. They painted illusion on you that you are not the way you say you are. And now they are being exposed. You look, there could be a significant meaning for you with children and a mother. Or somebody who needs your support. Or somebody have blackmailed you using with children. Or somebody has using children to have an access on you. This is your challenge. Take what resonates because everyone is different. Or this person wants to have a family with you. And this person could also be experiencing childhood trauma for the, toxic partner. Because somebody could also be getting divorced. And there could be a problem here related to children and a mother. Somebody is experiencing crisis, bankruptcy. This is their lives shambles for coming against you. Because this is one of the wishes on you. Now they are feeling inspired by you because everything come out of what they told about you. And somebody here wants to tell you as well that they have children from the previous relationship, or you are the one who has children from your previous relationship. It could also that this person is your ex who is using children to have an access in your life. Others of you guys, I feel like you're no longer dealing and entertaining with this person because you have learned your lesson. But this is your challenge. Somebody here could also be needs your support. Support for these children, or they blackmailed you with children. They are using children. Could also that this is your ex who betrayed you with other partner, and now they wants to tell you about the secret that they have children to other partner. And this is your challenge. Take what resonates because everyone is different. Let me see why and a child here, please. It is clarified as Five of Cups. Somebody is disappointed. This person is remorseful and regretful. I don't know what they have done on you. It could also be a group of people who are coming against you. There could be a significant meaning for you with a number of 5, 50, 55. Please pay attention. As Scorpio is involved here, double confirmation. Could also be a person who was born on the 5th of the month, 50 years old, 55 years old. This could also be your birthday, your age, or the year of your birthday, or that person you are dealing with. I told you, now they are disappointed. A Leo is involved here. A Scorpio, Cancer, Pisces. Aries, Scorpio is double confirmation because they are lying on you. Could also be that somebody had blackmailed you that you are the father of their child, and this is not true. And now they are being exposed, or they are using children to blackmail you in order for you to support them or to have an access on you. Take only what fits in your story. This is your spiritual lesson. You are no longer entertaining them because you have learned your lesson. Sorry, this is your challenge. Somebody is disappointed for what they have done on you in the past because they painted illusion on you. Could also be a group of people who are collaborating against you. Others of you guys, you are also disappointed because you have nothing to do with them. All you did is that you support them, you love them, especially if these are the people who are in the public eye. You subscribe their channel. Could also be a celebrity, a singer. Take what resonates because everyone is different. And you are disappointed because you found out that they are involved participating the mockery against you. For some of you, you don't know them and they don't know you as well personally. They just come across into your life because you are the catalyst. You are the mirror of their poor unhealed souls. And that's why they are triggered with your frequency. They painted illusion on you now. They have seen the truth that you are not an illusion. I told you. For some of these people, guys, they perceive you that you are a bogus artist. And now they are being exposed of what they have done on you. They are disappointed. Let me see what do you call this? The spiritual lesson in this reading, please. Let me see other card here. Light. Because the light is within you. You could be a healer, a chosen one, and that's why this person or group of people come across into your life. You could be an earth angel as well. Of course, not all of you. I am reading with Scorpios on the right path. And that's why you are the treat of their spotlights, especially if this person or group of people are in the public eye. Or you could be as well in the public eye, or both of you. But somebody had did something on you. That's why they are feeling regretful and remorseful. They are sad because they painted illusion on you and now they are being exposed. As an earth angel, this is normal, but you are divinely guided here and protected towards to your journey. You are no longer entertaining them anymore because you have seen the truth as well of who they are and their intention towards you. As Sagittarius is involved here, as Scorpio, Cancer, Pisces, Aries, Scorpio double confirmation could also be a person who was born on the 5th of the month, 50, 55 is significant in this reading. Take what resonates because everyone is different. A Leo is involved here or they are collaborating against you because they couldn't stand your frequency. You are the treat of their spotlights, or you are dealing with a person or group of people who are attention seeker and they doesn't want you to have an attention to other people. They wants all the attention to them. And that's why they tried to throw you under the bus by all means. And they don't know that you are an earth angel, a healer, or a chosen one. Now they wants to give you balance. They wants to harmonize the relationship between you and them because they are now experiencing the tower, the karma. Take only what fits in your story. Let me see why the light here. Please tell me more. It is clarified as the death. This is over. A Scorpio is involved here. For some of you guys, it could also that they are enlightened by you. You look, Could also be that they are feeling inspired and enlightened by you, but it's too late because this is over. You already transformed into a new version. This is related to the depth of your old version. You are no longer the same person before. You already evolved into a higher frequency. This is related to your internal and spiritual transformation as well. And that's why you are no longer entertaining them. This is the end. You already evolved. You cannot go back to them because you have different frequency. These are the people who are not also, accepting the consequences of their action. And that's why you cannot go back to them. Yeah, look, this could also be the people who are, engaging you to a coven. They did witchcraft on you, love spells, money spells, because they wants to give you an ending. It could also be related to your work. Or they doesn't want you to shine because you are the truth of their spotlights. But for most of you guys, because you are the one who carry the light of the world, you could be a chosen one or an earth angel. That's why you are predestined to shine, and they couldn't dim your lights. This is over because you are no longer entertaining them anymore. And they are being exposed and they are enlightened by you, but it's too late. I told you. Take only what fits in your story. Double confirmation with Scorpio. 3 times confirmation. Cancer, Pisces, Aries. Scorpio is involved in this situation. Let me see your other past situation here is, we have her Fuli. Fuli is to feel. Somebody here wants to, wants to fulfill your dreams. For some of you guys, it could also be that this is related to your, somebody here wants to, they wants to bring back something from the dead because they doesn't want you to, to leave them behind, but it's over. But they still have feelings towards on you. It could also be that these are the people in the past as well who did something on you. That's why they are feeling regretful and remorseful. This is also related to, somebody here could also be, wants to express their feelings on you. Or it could also be that they can feel your feelings. They can feel the result, the outcome of what they have done on you. Because in the past, they tried to end up your career, your creativity. I don't know what this is all about. Now they can feel how, this is like, they are now the one who suffered the consequences of their action because they wants to give you a permanent painful ending, right? And since it didn't work because you transform, and in fact you are the one who give them, who cut them up out of your life. Now they feel how hard, they feel the pain because they are now regretful and remorseful. They are sad of losing you. For some of these people, guys, they are in your family. They are mourning of losing you. Now they can feel you, but it's over. The death is here. You cannot go back to this person or group of people because you already evolved. You already transformed. And this is the past situation. Let me see why feel here, please. It is clarified as the Ace of Swords. Somebody here wants to tell you the truth. This person wants to communicate with you. Or this person wants to offer you a new ideas. Could also this person having a feelings for you. This person could be an air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. If you have problem in the court, this is also related to the decision in the court. If you are on the right path, this is your readings. Or it could also the decision of breakthrough, your break free, your aha moment. You are going to liberate with the truth. Because somebody here wants to tell you the truth. Because they are sad. They are regretful and remorseful of participating with the situation. Could be an air sign is involved here. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Others of you guys, this is your assured success, your breakthrough, and your break free. And somebody here wants to tell you about their feelings for you. This person couldn't resist you. They perceive you as, magnetic, attractive, and they are adoring you. But since they are participated in this situation, I told you could be a collaboration, a group of people who did something on you, and now they are being exposed, and you end up the situation because you are done. And this person wants to tell you the truth, or they are going to invest with you. I told you. Could also be a new ideas, a new project, or a new perspective. They wants to offer you this. Because this person having a feelings for you. I told you, let me see. The current situation here is Zaubersiegen. This is related to your magic. It could also be that they perceive that you use magic in your life because you managed to change your life, you managed to transform, when in fact it's not. This is related to your manifestation. You look, or this person is manifesting you in their lives. They perceive you as a powerful person. Whatever you manifest, everything is in front of you. All you need to do is to take an action, to believe in yourself, to trust in yourself, and to trust the magic of the Divine Most High, because you are here divinely guided and protected with the four elements: the water, the air, the earth, and the fire. Or this person is manifesting you in their lives. It could also that these are the group of coven who did abracadabra on you and it didn't work. Now it backfires on them, but they're still doing this. For some of you guys, you're innocent. They did this to you out of jealousy and envy. I told you. The power of 3. There could be a significant meaning for you with the number 330, 33, 30. Please pay attention. It could also that these are the same people who wants to talk with you. Since their negative energy descent on you, backfires on them. I told you. You look, they are now the one who is experiencing this. And for some of these people, they are manifesting to communicate with you. There is a communication here. You look, the Ace of Swords. Could also that this is in your family, in your workplace, in your friend circle. Could also be your ex, or in the community, for instance, your neighbors, or in the society where you belong. Others of you, you don't know them and they don't know you as well. They're just doing this out of jealousy and envy. You look, or these are the power of 3 who are collaborating against you. For some of these people, guys, they are sending negative energy through the air. That's why protect your energy. You look, they knew as well that you are innocent, but they're still doing this out of jealousy and envy. Detoxify yourself from the negative energy and protect yourself if possible. Wear some amulets because somebody is sending negative energy on you through the air. Oh my gosh, go and heal yourself. Why? Zaubersiegen here, please. It is clarified as the Magician. I told you. Virgo, Gemini is involved here. Not necessary, could also be any other sign. I told you. You look, be very careful because a magician could also be a trickery, or they're still doing this, what do you call this? Witchcraft, because they doesn't want you to continue your journey. They are triggered with the truth because the truth come out here. You have victory here, breakthrough. And you are no longer talking to them. That's why they are triggered. You look, for most of you guys, you cut them off out of your life, and this energy, this negative energy descent on you, it will never work because the course was broken. This is over. But there are people still doing this over and over and over again because they don't believe in karma, they don't believe in God, and aside from that, their lives are falling apart. The tower is here. That's why they're still doing this. Good luck, whoever you are. Whoever you are, I will send you back the negative energy tenfolds. In the name of the Divine Most High. Amen. Virgo, a Gemini is involved here, a Scorpio. Oh my gosh. Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio is 3 times confirmed, and Aries as well. Could also be any other sign. Let me see the future here is, we have here Wenshin. Your wishes are being granted. The universe advises you to wish if you are going make a wish, especially if you are going to see a star up above the sky or the moon, or you are advised to talk to the universe about your manifestations. This is related to your manifestations because your wishes are being granted. This is the future. For some of you guys, you are a great manifester, and there are people who only misjudge you that you are doing magic with your life. You are not doing magic with your life. This is your manifestations, and you work for it. You take an action. These are only the people who are superficial, delusional, and jealous. That's why they did this to you. Yeah, look, your wishes are being granted. You could also be a magical person, or it could also be that you have a divine gift. You could also be an archangel, and your ancestors are protecting you from this person or group of people. You look, there could also be a fairy who is protecting you. Let me see why wishes her, please. That's why they're still doing this abracadabra, because they believe that they can hold on your wishes. Oh my gosh, whoever you are, go and heal yourself. Let me see. Three of Swords. I told you the same. You look, Three of Swords now, they are disappointed because it didn't work. This is over. I told you the death. But for some of these people, they don't believe in karma, they don't believe in God, but they're still doing this over and over again because their lives are falling apart. You look, they are disappointed. Double confirmation because everything backfires, and then for most of you, you are innocent. You look, the Five of Cups and the Three of Swords. 3 plus 3 is 6. A Virgo is involved here, a Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or the power of 3 who are collaborating against you. Could also be all signs come out here collaborating against you because you are the truth of their lives. Now they have seen the truth because they are being exposed. The illusion depended on you. Remember, your first card is the Tower. They are disappointed, but they are manifesting you in their lives because they want to talk with you. You look, oh my gosh, go and heal yourself. Let me see. Your attitude here is the Taika. This is related to the nature. The universe advises you to spend time to the nature, to connect to the Mother Earth. It could also be that you are advised as well to communicate with the animals. Could also that your divine ancestors are watching you, protecting you towards your journey. You could be an archangel or a chosen one, of course, not all of you. And your advisor to detoxify the negative energy which was sent with this person or group of people. You see, they are sending negative energy on you through the air. I told you. And connect to the Mother Earth, detoxify yourself, and if possible, hug a tree. Somebody here is sending negative energy on you. That's why all you need to do is to detoxify yourself, to cleanse your aura. Because these are the people who cannot accept that they are defeated, that their illusion are being exposed, and that you are no longer entertaining them anymore because the death. You are no longer engaging your energy to them. Let me see why you need to connect to the nature. Please tell me more. Thank you. You see, I told you they're holding back. They couldn't let you go because they want you to share your blessings. After all what they have done on you, they perceive you that you are stingy. These are also the people in your family who wants you to support for them for the rest of your lives, that you are always working and working, and they are always enjoying your money, something like that. And they perceive you that you are no longer generous, you're stingy, or somebody have perceived that you're holding back to a situation because they want you to forget everything what they have done on you. These are the people who are delusional. After all the painted illusion on you, after all they did this abracadabra to you, and then they wants you to forget everything what they have done and to share your blessings to them. Are you okay, whoever you are? Can you imagine? A Capricorn is involved here, the power of 4. There could be a significant meaning with the number 4, 40, 44. Please pay attention. Or an earth sign. 42, 34 is significant here as well. 45, 54. Oh my gosh. There are lots of cards come out here. And this is the outside influence. Clarify me, Father, why the Four of Wells in this reading? Winter wonder. There could be a significant meaning for you about winter season, or this is your harvest season. This is the wonder. This is your blessings. This is the time for you to enjoy the fruit of your labors. Could also be that there is a wonder happening in your life during winter season. We are now in winter season. And this person wants to be the part of it. And they knew that as well. And that's why they want you to share your blessings to them after all what they have done on you. Can you imagine? They want you to forget everything what they have done on you. You look. This could also be related to your blessings, your manifestations. Because remember, your wishes is being granted here, right? And this could be during this season, winter season. And there are people who wants to be the part of it. To be the part of your hard work, your harvest. But you are no longer entertaining to them. I told you. An earth sign is involved here, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, or the power of 4 who are collaborating against you. Who are also the same people who are sending negative energy on you. I told you. Protect your energy. Let me see. Your hopes and fears is, oh my gosh, music. There could be a significant meaning for you about a music, or somebody is, imagining you special. There could be a significant meaning to you about a music, or you are dealing or attracting a musician, a singer, a rock star, or somebody here reminds you of a music, of a song, or somebody is writing a song about you. Take what resonates because everyone is different. Or pay attention, especially if you're going to hear a music, a song. If you're going to hear a song, pay attention. There could be a significant meaning for you about this song. It could also that it reminds you of a certain person, or this person reminds you of this song. Or this could also be a healing song, a healing music for you. There could be a significant meaning for you about a song, a music, or you are dealing with a musician and a rock star. I don't know who is writing a song for you. Take what resonates because everyone is different. Let me see why music here, please. Tell me more about music. Or somebody here reminds you of a song. This is a Virgo. You look. Somebody here wants to invest with you, but you are no longer entertaining them anymore. These are the same people who are not supporting you, who are not around you. And now that you are a self-made individual, you did it alone without them because they are not supporting you. Now they are feeling entitled to be the part of it. There could be a significant meaning for you about a song, and this person reminds you of a song. But this person is, could be wants to be the part of your blessings, of your harvest season, because they knew that your wishes is being granted. I told you, this person could be a Virgo. Could also that these are the past people. Be very mindful because somebody is feeling entitled to your hard work, to your harvest, to your legacy. Somebody could also be adoring and admiring you because you're a confident and independent person and you take good care of yourself and you are enjoying your freedom. These are also the group of people who are envy and jealous on you. That's why you are no longer entertaining them. You give death in this situation. You release them in your life. Now they wants to be the part of your harvest. I told you. A Virgo, there could be a significant meaning for you with the number 9, 1999. Take what resonates because everyone is different. A Virgo or a Sagittarius could also be a group of people. 93, 39, 95, 49, 40, 59, 59, 95 is significant in this reading as well. And let me see, the outcome here is Hoffnung. They are hopeful that you are going to reconcile to them. I told you. Others of you guys, it could also be that you give hopes and inspiration to other people and you enlighten them. And that's why for some of these people, they want to return to make peace and to reconcile with you. The outcome is Hoffnung. Hoffnung is hopeful, or they are hoping you that you are going to reconcile with them and to share your blessings after all what they have done on you. Or you are a kind of person who give hopes and inspiration to other people and they're feeling inspired by you. I told you, a Virgo is involved here. Could also be any other sign, an earth sign, or all the signs involved in this situation. Remember, they are painted illusion on you and they are now being exposed. The Tower. This is over. Double confirmation, the Tower and the Death. Plus the Magician. 3 major arcana come out in this reading. And your wishes are being granted, remember. And there is a wonder will happen to you during winter. We are now in winter season. This could also be related to your blessings, to your manifestations. And there are lots of people who wants to be a part of it. These are the same people who are not supporting you. In fact, they painted illusion on you. Now they want to return and they are hoping that you are going to share your blessings to them. Can you imagine? And they perceive you that you're holding back. You're not holding back because they want you to forget everything what they have done on you. After the magic, everything, they are sad, they are disappointed of doing this to you because they are now exposed what they have done on you because the Tower is here. I told you. And all their wishes for you backfires on them. They are now the one who is experiencing this while your wishes are being granted. And there is a wonder. The wonders of you will happen during winter season. You look. And that's why they wants to be the part of it. For some of these people, guys, they wants to invest with you because they wants to be the part of it. And lots of people who wants to invest with you and they are hoping that you are going to get them back and access in your life. That ends your reading. So today, I hope you enjoy your reading. And if this resonates to you guys, just don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like, comment, and share. Thank you for joining me here once again. Until the next time, I love you all. Bye.